Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the Dota to enable to queue for matchmaking. And I will show you guys why this error happened and I will show you the effective solution to fix this problem. So make sure you watch this entire video. First go to your Steam library and click on the Dota 2 game. I don't have the game but I will show you the solution. Click on the gear icon, go to the properties, click on the installed files and then click on the browse option you are seeing. So now here you will see the game launcher of your Dota 2 game. So you just need to right click on your launcher of the Dota 2 game and go to its properties. So now go to the compatibility tab and check this box of the compatibility mode and choose the Windows 8 and disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. Then apply the settings. These are the very important settings that you need to apply to fix this problem, and after that just restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. And if not, then click on the gear icon, go to your properties and click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files or any missing files in your game, and this can fix them automatically. You just need to wait for it. After it will be verified, now you just need to restart your PC and this can fix your issue. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you can update your game. And you also need to update your operating system, or you can also update your graphic card. This will also fix your issue because unupdated the operating system or the graphic card or the game will also cause this issue. So I hope guys one of these solution work for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.